Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. It's our week 3. As we are studying chapter number 2, formatting data in Excel 2013, and we have studied these options in previous lecture, but today I will show you practical how we use these options in home tab. That is font size, increase font size, decrease font size, font color, fill color, borders, underline, italic and bold. Okay, now moving towards PC, you will open Excel sheet from here. It's the bottom of your computer taskbar. You can see this is your taskbar. From taskbar at the left bottom corner there is start button. You will click this and you will open select Excel, MS Excel. Now the Excel sheet will appear like this. You will select any cell of this and you will write something, as I am typing grade 6 Ali. You can write anything. Grade 6 Ali. You can write anything. Now you can see that here I have wrote in B column, which is our column. If we moving towards alphabetical order, it's our B column and row 4. From here we can see that I have wrote in B4. B is column and 4 is row. In B4 I have wrote grade 6 Ali. Now number first is font. Font means the writing style. You will select this one by this. You will select it like this and you will click on arrow here. You can select here any of this style. As you can see that the style is changing by itself. I am moving towards next font style. So it is changing by itself. You can select from here any of the style. I am selecting Algerian style. So here you can see grade 6 Ali is moving or changing towards the style which is Algerian. Now if you want to, now you can see that it's our Ali flows from the cell. So you will adjust the cell by here. You will click here, you will select it like this and moving towards this side. Now you can see that the cell is adjusted. The cell is adjusted because it was overflowed by alphabets. Now moving towards font size, you will select this again. You will select it again and from here you can change font size. As you can see that here comes when I click here, when I click this one arrow, so here are different sizes. So here are different sizes. You can select from this. If you want to select the previous was 11 size font size, and if you want to change it you can choose. If I am putting here 14 size. So as you can see that the size is changed. Now it is selected and I will apply increase font size from here. You can see that by here clicking this one option I am increasing font size, and by this A in small writing, when I will click this it is decrease font size. Now it is decreasing font size. You can select it either from here or from here. This is increase font size and this option is for decrease font size. You can select it from here or you can select it from here. Okay. Now next is font color. This is your font color. If you want to change the font color, you will click this one and you will click here. I am choosing red color over here. I am choosing red color. So as you can see that the font color has been changed. I will select it again. I will select the grade 6 Ali which I have wrote again, and now moving towards next option, fill color. Moving towards next option, fill color. Sorry, you will just click the cell. You will just click the cell, or you will just select the cell. You will just select the cell and you will fill the color from here. As you can see that I have filled the color in cell. Now you can see that its color has been changed. The cell color has been changed and I have filled it from here. Now next is choose this one and I want to underline the writing. I want to underline the writing. So I will select the writing and moving towards U, which is the underline option, I will click this and it has underlined. Now if you want to make changes, you want to format the underline option, you want to remove the underline, you will again select these text and you will click on again underline and it will disappear from here. Now next option is, now moving towards underline, it is underline now. Now again select it, select the writing. If you want to change the style from here, you will change its style. It's italic. Italic is like this. This is your italic style. If you want to change its, if you want to make it bold, if you want to make it bold, so you will click here B, at B. If you want to make it bold, so you will click this one. Understand? So it is now bold. If you want to unbold it, so you will again select it and you will click B. So from here you can unbold it. You will bold it from here or you will unbold it from here. Or the main point is, whenever you want to format the font or anything else, you want to format means you want to change it. So you will must first select the writing which you have wrote. Then you will be able to apply any option. And next one is border. Click it. Now moving towards border, top border. I am giving it top border. So here just come top border. Now again I have select the cell. Now all borders. Click on all borders. So you will get all borders here. Got it? This is your practical. Thank you.